Have you considered security when shopping for replacement windows in Hagerstown, Indiana? When it comes to keeping your family and belongings safe, Clemens Home Solutions offers 4 key features that enhance your home safety. The first feature is sill and sash interlocks. These interlocks ensure a tight seal between the window frame and the sash, making it difficult for intruders to pry open the window from the outside. Next, we have dual vent latches. These latches allow you to keep your windows partially open for ventilation while still maintaining security. With dual vent latches, you can enjoy fresh air without compromising safety. Another crucial feature is dual cam locks. These locks engage at multiple points along the window frame, enhancing resistance against forced entry. With dual cam locks, you can have peace of mind knowing that your windows are securely locked. And finally, an optional child-proof latch is an excellent addition for families with young children. This latch allows you to restrict the window's opening distance, preventing curious little ones from accidentally falling out while allowing proper ventilation. Don't wait any longer for more secure windows in Wayne County. Call Clemens Home Solutions at 765-358-7535 for a free quote.